Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl Nattyrocberry. I'm Nattyrocberry, hey, and I love glossy pantyhose. And if you love glossy pantyhose, baby, rock that like button, subscribe to this channel, be a part of my very glossy membership. Click right on over to my Patreon so you can see more of me. Berries, as you can see, I got a cute new hairdo. I took my extensions out to give my hair a little bit of break. I'm giving you guys the real me. Berries, I'm on my way to go shopping for some new pantyhose. And before leaving my house, I grabbed a couple of packages. Who sent me another gift? Bought me something off of my Amazon wish list with Berries. I didn't buy this for me. I want to see like what this one is. It says, Natty, enjoy your gift and have a very sweet day. Thanks for brightening my day. Ed in Dallas. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Ed. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, Berries. Oh my gosh. Berries. Oh my gosh. It's a black strapless satin dress from the Coutume. I wanted this and I added it to my Amazon wish list because I wanted to purchase this and wear it someplace nice. Berries, I love how the top of this looks, and I think that I need to do it justice by getting some really nice pantyhose. Oh, okay, Berries, so we're gonna go shopping for some pantyhose that will complement this beautiful black satin dress that Ed from Texas purchased from me off of my Amazon wish list. Thank you so much, Ed. Thank you so much, Ed. You're spoiling me. You're gonna be my new berry daddy. A girl can never have too many pairs of pantyhose. Don't we agree? Okay, Berries, so let me go ahead. Let me get out of here. Okay, Berries, I'm gonna go, Berries. I'm gonna go. Okay, Berries, so as you can see, I made a cute little purchase. I purchased the Wolford Satin Touch 20 tights. These are 20 denier. They have shimmery, of course, but not too shimmery. They're not as shiny as the Wolford Neon 40, but they still have a nice soft satin shimmer look to them. And I feel like that will be very complimenting to this beautiful black satin corset dress that was purchased for me off of my Amazon wishlist from my berry daddy. Alright, hopefully they fit. I hope I didn't get them too big. I got them in an extra large, as you can see. I know you want me to open these up, Berries. I know you want me to open these up, but I'm gonna wait until I get home because I want to see what they look like on my berry brown legs. Okay, Berries, so let's get back to the house because I want to see what these look like. Okay. Okay, Berries, what do you think? Let me put you guys in like here. Okay, Berries, so once again, here is the dress. Hope you guys got a really good look at it. Berries, this dress looks so beautiful on me. I feel like Diane Carroll or Marilyn Monroe. I'm trying to think of a name that I can give myself to just channel this energy that I'm feeling. I'm like Barbara Berry Devereaux. Like, what do you think? Anyways, Berries, here is the Wolford Satin Touch 20 tights that I purchased from the mall. Gosh, Berries, I am not about to try these on without my gloves. Let me grab my gloves really quick. This is not a Nattyrocberry pantyhose try on without my gloves. So let me go ahead and let me put these on. But I really just love how complimenting these gloves are. I hate ripping up the package from Wolford. I really do, because it's so nice and it's just so perfect. And I just hate ripping it up. However, let's get it cracking. Okay. Whoa, these are huge. Okay, these are long. These are very, very long. However, Berries, we know I'm at least 6'1", so I'm not gonna let that affect me. I'm not gonna let how long these are like make me scared. But I am going to get a little bit closer to you. I want to show you guys. I want you guys to see up close, plus the sun is looking absolutely amazing right now. So let me get closer to you. I'm kind of shocked that it even has a gusset. Berries, I know I said that I'm not gonna let the appearance of how long they are, you know, make me feel a little nervous, but I am a little nervous. A bit of a reinforced toe, which is nice if you can see that. And they also have feet in them. I see a little bit of shine in them. Look how sheer they are. They're very sheer, but they're super long. I'm nervous, Berries, I'm nervous. I hope these look good. Oh my gosh, but look at the waistband. The waistband is at least 2 inches. It does have the nice little Wolford monogram on there. I don't know if you can see it, if you can. So without any further ado, Berries, I wanna just get these on. Okay, Berries, if you want to see the full try on, go ahead and click on over to my Patreon. You'll be able to see more of me. I'll be right back and I'll have both legs in my pantyhose or tights. Should I call these tights or pantyhose? You guys know how I am. Okay. Okay, Berries, so here they are. I probably could have gotten a large, but Berries, I am not complaining. Berries, as we know, I am at least 6'1". I love how the split is just like right over the leg. Like, look at this. Glamazon look. I love this look. I love how I look right now. And the dress fits perfectly. It's not too tight. It feels like I have a corset on, and I love how it doesn't bunch up in the back. I am going to turn heads, okay? This is a beautiful look. I think of all of my Barbie looks, Berries, this is probably my favorite. If you would like to also support me as Ed do, or as Ed does, I don't know how to say that. Check me out on my Patreon. Also, you can hit the like button on this video if you found this video to be educational or entertaining. Let me know, Berries, in the comment section down below if you love this video, if you like this video, things you like, things you don't like. Berries, I really do want to entertain you, and I want to educate you all on the loves and the thrills of wearing pantyhose and how pantyhose can just really take your look and just make it so glamorous. Berries, I love these pantyhose. Thank you again for watching my video. Love you all most. Bye-bye. Berries, what do you think of my hair?